Ohanaeze ndị Igbo, stop talking shorting Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. Maazị Nnamdi Kalu should release unconditionally. Simon Ekpa. The truth has finally come outside. Who is killing Biafras in Southeast region? I will update you. No be small thing. No, they say they don't delete some members of Ohanaeze ndị Igbo today. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page for a quick update as it dey hot. No be small thing. No, my people, things are happening. They say that wetin happen today no be small thing. No, they say breaking news: two Ohanaeze members sent to judgment. So we are still waiting in a full update of this incident that happened between the justice fighters and Ohanaeze ndị Igbo. So when the full details and the videos is being out, we are going to publish it here as well. So you know that for a long time now, a lot of things are going on in Southeast, and they have been killing people like a fly in Southeast. Sometimes they say it's a non-government, and most of all those killings that are going on in Southeast is coming from a Bubago. So the international communities don't do investigation, come outside for this conclusion. So we go read and come outside for wetin they talk. Mona know wetin they go on for Southeast. They say US, UK organization release report on how ex-president Buhari allegedly funding Bubago in Southeast to key residents using Imo, Ebonyi state government as executors. So you see, you understand what is going on here. It's using Hope Uzodinma in Imo state and Dave Umahia in Ebonyi state as the people who are killing the youth from Southeast, the Biafra youth. So this is report are coming out today. So Simon Ekpa have issued a strong warning to Ohanaeze ndị Igbo never to make a comment over signing any agreement with Nigeria government to release Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. That he also went ahead and said that Maazị Nnamdi Kalu should release unconditionally without any form of bail condition, because the court, their court have set him free. So they don't have to sign any form of agreement in order way to keep him in captivity or in bondage after his freedom. So he say they are going after all criminals in Biafra land who is terrorizing the people. This is what Simon Ekpa said, the PM Biafra government in exile. So I'm going to play you the video for you to watch, and after watching the video, we'll come back and continue. So watch the video.
Biafra people are going to wage war against all of you. The war of Edoakanono, it is internal. The one in Imo State is unforgivable. 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 And I want to send a message from the Biafra Republic government in Ezra this evening to the Ohanaeze Ndoshi, the criminals who are bragging and calling that they want to shorty the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu does not read the shorty. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is not going to be released on bail. The court of Nigeria Islamic State have discharged Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So why are you talking about shorty? The release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu must not come with any condition. Ohanaeze, we are not warning you because the time for warning is over. What you should be talking about is the unconditional release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. You do not go and say you want to start the shorty. Shorty as what? Maazị Nnamdi Kanu does not need a shorty. Court have discharged him, and there is no any charge against him as such today. So why are you talking about shorty? so that you are going to use that to tie him down. Anyway, the message this evening is not to beg anybody, but just to put everyone on notice that the game have changed. The liberation of Biafra that is widely talked about for many months has begun. And Edoakanono is internal. We have come to understand that the enemy within is more brutal than the enemy outside. Ohanaeze is one of them. Every command in Biafra land must list all the politicians from the State House of Assembly to commissioner to local government chairman. Every command. The Biafra Liberation Army, the Eastern Security Network, every command in Biafra land, we are demanding a list of all the politicians, especially those sending the killers to our people. We need the list, complete list, from A to Z. And we're going to work on those lists. From tonight is an order. The intelligence team of the Biafra Liberation Army, you are mandated from tonight. All the state in Biafra land, we need the list. The list of every politician from A to Z. Those corrupt criminals, those murderers, those genociders, committers, those who employ killers in our land, those who import and ask people to invade our land, we need all their list from A to Z. So we can send letters, private letters to them. Because maybe they are not watching our program. We need addresses, postal address, so we can send letter. We want to write them officially. Official Edoakanono have started. You know, those people have committed a lot of atrocities against our people. You need to see how people were massacred and killed in Biafra land. And of course, they are covering it on media. Of course, everybody knows that. So we need every list. We need every names. We need their places where they live, everything. We are going to write letter to them. So that they will not say they did not watch our program, so they don't know what is going on. We are going to write private letters. Edoakanono letter. By the time we write 1 or 2 letters, others will learn. Thank you very much.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, the Simon Ekpa sending a message to the leaders in Southeast, which are being used by Nigeria government in order way to execute the Biafra's youth, that they are going to send the politicians, officials letters, which a kind of a warning to them. So guys, what do you think about what Simon Ekpa said, and what do you think that happened to Ohanaeze and Igbo? So let me know in a comment section of what you think, and what do you think that this report coming from UK and US organizations, that what is going on in Southeast. Everyone is asking question, what is really going on? But today the truth are really coming out. So my people, now so we say, and today now we say we bring and come give for now. Any updates where they come, we'll bring and they come. I beg, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button for over there, so that anytime we will post, you will be the first person to get them. So don't forget to also follow us here and keep us turning on and checking on this particular page for a quick update as they hot. Now will they bring and they come. Okay, my people, now here we go end up for today. When I don't hear and say na Buhari and Hope Uzodinma and Dave Umar, they are the ones killing the Southeast youth, and they are going to definitely, they must answer a question on this particular incident, this particular thing they are doing. So the question everybody is asking since is finally out. So the report has made it clear that ex-president is one ordering the killing using Dave Umar to kill his own people, and now he's gone to Abuja for a minister of work. Is it all the killings that happen in Ebonyi State? Is it what they are rewarding you on, making you minister of work? Okay. The other one in Rivers State, they give him no, that one is a minister of what sef, what even they give Wike to do? Is he minister of work? I don't even know what they give them. So whatever they give them there is their business. But all these posts they are giving you people, minister of this, minister of this, is the pay, is the their compensation of your people you killed. But remember that your name, you serve your people and your name is in bad list of the people. So you can never run away from what you commit. This is a promise. I know that all Biafra should be talking now. Okay, my people, na so we see am for here today. We go see you people for another update wey we dey drop as e dey hot. Stay tuned.